Good morning, guys. I'm back. Today is July 3rd and it is currently 7:37 in the morning. And we are on our way to the Marina to take delivery on our first boat that we got. It's a Bayliner and I think it's like 27 feet long. The guy that we are buying it from offered to deliver it down here to us. He's about a little bit more than like an hour away, and he just figured it'll be easier for us and for him to bring it over here to us. So we're meeting him at the Marina, and then we're gonna put it in the water and go for a test drive and everything, just to make sure everything is good to go on the boat, and then it will be ours if everything goes good. We already have a boat slip at the Marina. We already went and looked at the boat, and we really liked it in person. It was really clean and it was kept up, and the maintenance was always done on it. I'm gonna be completely honest, me and my husband are not boat people, really. I mean, like, we like boats, but we're not all into boats like that. And honestly, I didn't think we would own a boat for like probably another like 5 or 10 years. We were looking at getting another jet ski, and then we ended up not getting one, and we figured that getting a boat would have more use out of it than getting a jet ski. We figured having a boat is more practical for the family. So for 4th of July we were going to go up north, and since Ikson Lake doesn't have any water, we were going to go up to Burt Lake, which is near Petoskey, and we were gonna go to my family's up there and go out on the lake and everything. We would have to rent a camper on top of hauling the boat up there and everything else, so it would have been just too much to do in a very little time and everything. So we just decided it'd be easier to stay down here and then just get the boat and just stay by the house and everything and just stay local, and this way we can just go home when we're done at the end of the day from being on the boat, and then come back out here in the morning and stuff, and not have to worry about renting a camper for a whole weekend and taking it back and driving all the way back to the cottage to pick up the boat, and then driving like, I think it was like 4.5 hours home. So it's just a lot easier and more convenient for us just to stay down here and everything. The guy is going to bring the boat, like I said, and he should be here in about 10-15 minutes. And we just got to the Marina, so I can show you guys our spot that we got. So here is our spot. So we're right by the parking lot. So we have water and electricity here, and then here is our spot. They don't look that wide, but honestly, it's like the perfect fit for the boat. And then eventually we'll get a box like that, put that here, and we're going to get the side carpet boards like they have here as well. And then the parking lot is right over here. So over here is the lake. So a few things that's really cool about this marina is that down that way they have a pool right off the lake, and they have a gas station, they have like a general store, you know, like buy sandwiches and like buy food and stuff like that over there, or whatever you need while you're out on the boat. And then they have like a really cool picnic area that has palm trees. They're fake palm trees, but they have like a big like pavilion, and they have a bunch of tables there, and you can go fishing over there, and they have like barbecues over there and stuff like that. And it's really cool because without this whole COVID thing, they have like casino night, and they have like activities and stuff for the kids, so the kids can come here and get like face paintings and everything else. So it's like a really like family friendly marina. It's not just you park your boat here and that's it. Like, you get water, electricity, they have Wi-Fi, They have all that for the kids. They have a playground for the kids, and then they have basketball courts as well. They also have a small hall that you can rent for like birthday parties and stuff like that too. So it's really cool over here, and we love it here so far. People are really nice, and we already met one of our boat neighbors, and they've been here for 8 years. So they love it here. But yeah, so we're just going to head up to the front by the gate and wait for them to come with the boat. There she is. Oh, there she is. It's huge in person. I like it. And it says Rough Life on the back of it. So I'm back, and I will show you what it looks like at the marina. I had my bathing suit on because we went swimming in the pool, which was nice and stuff. It's not a huge pool, but it's big enough to go swimming in. So here's what she looks like. So we put the cover on and everything just because it's supposed to storm. Everyone around this whole area here within like 5 or 6 spots from us, and even behind us over here, everyone's really nice over here. So they've just been helping us out and giving us advice on like how to park the boat and everything else. Just, you know, I mean, it's not like you just buy a boat and you just drive it. You know, like you have to learn which way the wind's blowing, which way the water's going, and all this other stuff. It's crazy. There's so much more to boating than just buying a boat and driving it. But yeah, here she is. And I'm not going to go on the boat or anything. I am going to do a boat tour probably the next time we come out. Today is Thursday, and we do plan on coming back out over the weekend a few times, and maybe even sleeping on the boat again. For 4th of July, we hung out on the boat. We went out to Gull Island, which is by Anchor Bay area, New Baltimore area. So that's usually where Driving Nooner is. So we went over there and we barbecued and everything. We bought a grill for the boat. But yeah, we just hung out on the boat for 4th of July. Then we came back here to the marina and we just hung out, ordered some pizza, and watched fireworks. And like I said, I'll show a tour of the boat as soon as we come back out here next time. We're gonna head out because it's supposed to storm. So we'll see about that. Okay, so I'm back again. We are finally home, and we're just hanging out. As I was saying, 4th of July, we had the family out on the boat with us, and we went out for the day, and it was just so hot, and it was our first time taking the boat out, so we just wanted everything to go okay and whatnot. So I didn't really get a chance to vlog. The next time we take the boat out, I will make sure I vlog for you guys, and I will show you a tour of the boat. I'm going to go make some dinner, so I will see you guys next video. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell down below to make sure you are notified when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.